5 reasons why your brand's skincare products are better when you use BatchMaster ERP. 1. They are fun or playful. BatchMaster ERP supports robust formulation and secured innovation to bring products that are fun to use yet safe. 2. They deliver what you claim. It helps you execute accurate property analysis, assure quality, and deliver safe and compliant products. 3. They are affordable yet profitable. It offers in-depth cost analysis, helps you evaluate expenses, analyze profit, loss and determine cost that is affordable to customers and profitable to your business. 4. They are customers' favorite. BatchMaster ERP helps you stay competitive with improved customer experience. 5. They are never out of stock. It empowers accurate future forecasts, adequate manufacturing of products having consistent quality, and assured timely deliveries. Don't delay, request a demo today to know more. Visit www.batchmaster.co.in for more details.